This 2018 Jayco Hummingbird 17BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 19 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, water heater, auxiliary battery, DVD player, air conditioning, leveling jacks, smoke detector, slide-out, awning, and 25 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Jayco Hummingbird 17BH is 2,940 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.